Nessa Sunshine here. If you want to get into this eye look right here, first subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. With the R37 brush, I'm going to define me first. Start pushing it in the outer corner and blend. Push it up here just a little bit higher. Blend in swiper motions up above the lid using a circular motions above the brow bone. And voila, I have it on both of my eyes. So let's get into the next color. This is a Morphe 573 going into create. Packing. Pack it up a little bit higher. Pack that up higher above the crease. Start to blend it down into this area. Taking the 513, it's a clean brush, blend at the very top of that shadow create, buffing those edges.
Buff your brush. Buff your brush.
Back into my Morphe R37 brush, taking that Define Me shadow, do tiny circular motions all around the top of create, moving it all along this area above the giant crease color. Forever, we're going right here.
Forever and ever.
With the M73 brush, I'm going to take Forever into the outer corner, use circular motions, press a teensy bit, and then I blend. Going further up into the outer corner, bring it over above the crease. Swiper motions now, you guys. Swiper motion. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating because it is summer.
In the summer.
Olaf moment. Anyway, let's continue on. Blending this outer half corner of the eye. Bring just a little bit more Forever higher on the brow bone. Cut the crease by placing the concealer with a flat brush above the crease. Come down above the crease as well. And if your eyelids overlap like mine do, just open up that space. The middle to be the highest point in the cut crease, and then I just bring it down into the lid. Connect everything, bring the concealer down with my ring finger, blend out that product. I'm going into Artistic. It's like a bronzy sort of gold. Place it right there on the lid. Oh, it's such a pretty color. And then I'm going to take it up into the part where we cut the crease. This is just a taper brush from the Morphe Eyecredible set. I'm taking that into, I believe this one's called Trendy. Glaze it over this area. Speaking about glazing, this is the Nikkie Tutorials collaboration Glazed Donut. Now, if you don't have this, you can just use a bright white shimmer shade. Popping that into the inner corner. You don't have to do this if you don't like inner corner highlights, but if you like inner corner highlights, I suggest that you do. To add dimension, I'm going to go ahead and just bring this down in this area. Give a little pop. Take the Morphe 573 brush and take Create and place it here on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go into Forever with that same brush. Pop it on the very lowest part of all of that. Whew, it's spicy in here. I am not okay with the heat. Forever on Anastasia A26 brush. Outline this crease to give it extra definingness. This is the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Gold Rush Liquid Liner. Take that golden liner from this part of the eye, bring it where the crease is. Looking down into my mirror so I can have my eyelid smooth. End it right about there. If this step feels unnecessary to you, then go ahead and skip it. Let me just show you what kind of lashes I am popping on today. The Babella Doll Face Lashes. See how gloriously giant they are? You're going for the extra read all about it look today. Put the whole face on and a dramatic lip as well.
Makeup miracle in a second.
Voila! Here I have the Nabla Velvet line. Taking that into the lower lash line, bringing it to the center. Take Forever, add that as well. Add a slant under the eye, not in up toward the eye, so I can have that nice open space that I love. This is just a Morphe Eyecredible brush. Taking that into Create, blend. This is a Sigma Diffuser Crease brush. I take that into Get 'em. I think that's the color. No, Define 'em. Take that also into that fuchsia shade, and we're just gonna start going to town and blending around. Make sure that it is connected over here. Back into the Ofra Glazed Donut Nikkie Tutorials collaboration and the A14 Anastasia brush. Glazed Donut, here we come. If you reach it to this far in the video, comment down below Glazed Donut, because that's a shining thing, right? Putting this in that inner corner of the lower lash line, getting smaller as it's going to the center, doing the opposite effect of the other part of the eyelash. This is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. Lower lashes, lower lash mascara time. This is the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, of course, thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. And, oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Nessa Sunshine _. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.